Can you solve this math puzzle? Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are solving 32 divided by 4 times 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2. Put the correct answer in the comment if you can solve it. Having said that, let's solve it together. We have multiple operations here, which is division, multiplication, and exponent. So this tells us that we need to follow the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses. We're going to solve the one in bracket first, and we don't have it here. The E here stands for exponent, something like 3 square. We have it here, which is 2 square. So let's solve this 2 square. 2 raised to power 2 will give us 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we have a new equation, which is 32 divided by 4 times 4 divided by 2. Now, the next one here is multiplication and division. You work from left to right. Looking at this equation from the left, division came first, so we are going to solve the division before multiplication. So 32 divided by 4 will give us 8 times 4 divided by 2. The next is multiplication. 8 times 4 will give us 32 divided by 2. And 32 divided by 2 will give us 16. So this is the final answer. Kindly subscribe to this channel.